know, need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find what I give you what you need. I know what you like.
Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, and you're welcome to my morning and shower routine. So I don't have a particular time I wake up, okay? Anytime I wake up and start my day. So I do a quick prayer, apply sunscreen, and I head to the gym. After I'm done at the gym, I just come back home and I start doing the dishes from the previous day. So I do the dishes, clean up my microwave on this day, but it's not something I always do, if I'm being honest. I clean my microwave like twice a week, when I feel like it's dirty. Actually, anytime I feel like it's dirty, I just clean it, because I don't like when my microwave is dirty. When you microwave food, it's going to be smelling, and I don't like that smell that comes from it. So yeah, that's what I do.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did one by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. That the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow,
I go ahead to tidy the apartment. Some things are just misplaced, and during the weekend I've been doing a lot of content creation, so everything is just where they're not supposed to be, okay? So yeah, it was Monday on the day that I filmed this video, and I needed to put everything back to where they belong and just clean and make the house feel a lot fresher and smell really, really nice.
I did what I got when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto or Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need people and shadow. 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 I need people and shadow.
Next thing I do is hop into the shower, brush my teeth, do a mask. So yeah, I'm using this mask from RRAW SKINCARE. Absolutely love the magic that this performs on my face. And then these are the products I usually shower with. So yeah, I just ran into the shower. Today I'll be refreshing my braids because honestly I've not had time for it. So I'm using the shampoo bar from ZIKONATURALS first to wash off all that gel in my hair from edge control and all that. Then I'll use this palm olive shampoo and conditioner for the second wash, so my hair feels really fresh and smells really nice. Next, I go ahead to exfoliate my face using Deoproce green tea peeling gel. I really love this product so much. After I'm done doing that, I go ahead to scrub my body using the Vanilla shea butter scrub from Watsons. You guys, this leaves your body feeling really soft and nice. I really love how this product works on me. So yeah, I'm using this hard sponge. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, trust me, it's really nice on my skin. Then I'm using the Tumeric bar soap face soap from, what are they called again, Juicy Chicks. So yeah, that's what I'm using for my face now, and I started using this product recently and it's really nice. Some of you are going to fight me that I've come back with this my Kogic San. Yes, I'm back again. So yeah, I go ahead and use the Kogic San to scrub my body, and yeah, that's pretty much it for my shower routine. I don't do any of that thing. I wash down all the products and then I go and take care of my intimate area using the LACTACYD intimate wash. I love it. Then I scrub my lips using the lip scrub from Juicy Chicks. Okay, next in line is my toner. So I applied the NIVEA Micellair water toner on my face. I use this to just take out, you know, the last part of the dirt. I feel like no matter how you bath, when you apply toner, it go humble you. It will tell you that only you didn't shower. Jokes. I introduced the vitamin C serum for VIBRANT GLAMOUR. I really love the serum. Oh my god, ever since I started adding vitamin C to my routine, my face has been breathing and is really nice. I don't know what this does though, but it works last. Then I go ahead to apply the retinol serum from VIBRANT GLAMOUR. I use the serum whenever I'm at home, but if I'm going out, I don't use it. So some of these products, I don't use them every day, but on this day, yeah, this is what I'm using. So I apply the retinol serum on my face, and guys, I love this serum. Honestly, I just love this brand, to be honest. I feel like I will get more products from them. Yeah, then I move on to taking care of my eye using the tea butter eye cream from RRAW SKINCARE. You guys, since I started using eye cream, I love the effect, okay, because this girl doesn't sleep. So this really helps my eye bags, my dark circle. It's really a good product. After I'm done with this procedure, the next thing I do is moisturize my face. So I use a honey moisturizer from RRAW SKINCARE, and I love how soft, how this just makes my face feel. It makes my face feel like a baby's butt, okay? Yeah, that's how it is. So also remember that anything you're applying on your face, try to bring it down to your neck. That's the mistake I used to make when I used to apply products before, and then now I have a very dark neck. Next thing I do is apply the fresh sunblock on my face, which serves as, of course, sunscreen. So yeah, I use that and I just, you know, rub through it so it goes down to my neck, the back of my neck, and all that stuff. It's also from RRAW SKINCARE. I love this product so much. It smells really fresh. Then I go ahead to moisturize my body using the OLAY Body Science cream. I love this product so much. Keeps my body really moisturized literally all day, guys, all day. I apply this especially in the parts that tend to get really dry, like my elbow, my knees, my inside my fingers, like, you know, those places are always very dry. So I apply that and it gives my body some sort of glow, and I love how it makes my body feel like butter. Okay, yeah. Next thing I do is apply a deodorant. I'm trying out this Rexona one. I recently picked it up, and you guys, I like it. I really like the smell. I used to be a Dove girl. I'm still a Dove girl, but they just caught my attention and I wanted to try it. Then I go ahead to use the ELLIPS French Vanilla body spray or body mist. Yeah, this is a body mist. I've been using this thing ever since I came to the Philippines, like from the very first month I came to the Philippines, and I've never gone back. Next is the VASELINE balm. I use this on my lips to keep my lips moisturized and yummy, just in case somebody's son want to kiss me, sha. Yeah. Then we go into the room and then I apply some perfume and change into something comfortable. I'm not going anywhere. So let's talk about how I usually refresh my braids, because guys, these braids, I need to take them down, but I'm really busy this period and my hair is something that I'm not even about to be bothered about right now. So this is how I refresh my braids. So I've washed them and I'm using heat, basically blow dryer. I'm going to apply this leave-in conditioner from ZIKONATURALS on my braids, just, you know, to help redefine my curls even though they are in a protective hairstyle. Then I apply that hair cream. You guys know SOULMATE from Nigerian Solar. So yeah, I use that also, and then I try the infused oil blend from ZIKONATURALS, you know, to keep my hair moisturized and give my hair some shine. This really works for my edges as well. Just wanted to put that out there. If you're trying to grow your edges, that's the plug product. Okay, I have a discount code for ZIKONATURALS and RRAW SKINCARE. I'm going to leave it in the description just in case you want to purchase one or two. But guys, my skin is skinning. Okay, yeah. I brushed down, and because I'm not going anywhere, I'm not styling this in any way. I'm not going to put it inside bonnet, so I'm just going to leave my hair out and go relax. So the next thing on my morning routine is basically food. After all of this, I just eat and watch something. If I have work, I would work, but on this day I didn't have anything to do, so I just relaxed at home, unwind, and yeah, went through social media over and over again.
So one of the things that the Lord has been teaching me is that in the spiritual realm, your age is determined by the weight of revelation you carry. Your maturity in God is not because you turned 60. Your maturity in God is not because you turned 80. Your maturity in God is based on revelation. Revelation was what produced the day. You see, they said that it was the first thing God created or God revealed was light. He said, let there be light. And then after all the stuff, he said, and he called the light day and he called the darkness night. And then it goes into, and then the first day. And so why I'm sharing this is the reason why a man named David in the Bible, as a teenager, was called by God and anointed by God to be king. Because God was it was not after his age. David was a teenage boy, but David tapped into a revelation of God. That he understood that as long as God is with me, I cannot fail in the thing he's called me to do. When God was searching for who could be anointed as king, he was not searching based on what birthday you just celebrated. He was searching based on the weight of revelation you have about him. Now I'm sharing this because you can never look down on yourself because of age, whether young or old. You may feel like, God, I'm a teenager, or maybe I just, right here, early millennials, and you're calling me to do something that is beyond, where I'm at. And he said, it's not about your age in the natural. In the same way, you might feel like, God, I'm 80. There's no way this can happen. That even if you're not, whether you are 19 or 90, when God is calling you into a transition, it has nothing to do with your age in the natural. There is something he has recognized that you have a revelation of him in, that he wants to establish you in.
So if you guys enjoyed this, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.